Good morning, team. Looking at the overall chart, this is the 180-day 4-hour on the SPY. You can see that we're reaching oversold levels. We reached a new low of 388. What are the next levels to watch, right? So let's jump down towards the 20-day over here. If you look at the 20-day, you can see the 20 days oversold on the RSI. MACD looks like it's kind of settling out over here. We've been on a steep decline from 400 all the way down towards that 388 where we're sitting at right now. If we start to basically get bullish over here or have a bounce since we're oversold, we could possibly bounce from the break of the trade line at 391, which has been acting as support. And then we could start going to 394. If we break that 388, we actually have to go to our 5-year chart over here to see the next possible level. After we break 388, which I believe is around, we could possibly go up to 380. If I extend this line, you can see 380 in the past. Back in 2021, we kind of consolidated over here. So after 388, we could possibly go to 380. So that's going to be the next major support zone for the overall stock market, right? So watch for the break of 388, and then we can start going to 385 and 380. For the long position, watch for the break of 394, and then we could start basically pushing up towards at 400 on the 180-day. Or if you want to get in closer, you could get in from 391 to 394 for the 180-day trade line. So I'm actually going to change the color of this as well too. Next stock we're going to talk about is going to be Tesla. Looking at Tesla, you can see Tesla is basically pulling back down, sitting at 715. If Tesla is to break 715, it could go to 700. If it starts to break the trade line over here at 733, it could start going to 750 and possibly higher. This 715 is the low on the 20-day, but we have been actually lower. We have actually went to 691 on Tesla, so that's also as possible. RSI on many of these charts, as you're looking over here, they're blue and oversold, especially after a steep sell-off for the last day or two. Yesterday was pretty drastic. You can see that Tesla went from like 800 down towards 700, so that's basically almost like $100 drop. So definitely want to be cautious with Tesla as well. So watch to see if we bounce over here. A lot of these stocks are oversold on the larger charts. Next one we're talking about is Disney on the 20-day over here. Disney reported earnings. It was actually a slight beat. So definitely want to watch to see what's going to happen over here with Disney. They still ended up dropping. Watch for the break of 102 to 104 and watch for the break of 99 down towards 97. If you look at the 180-day chart, we are at basically 180-day lows. Of course, Disney is oversold too, as well with the other stocks that we've been watching. Last but not least, through Coinbase on here, just because Coinbase was being talked about in the market. I think Bitcoin hit a low of 2,500 today, 25,000. But definitely want to watch to see if we break $48, that we could go to 40. Coinbase is oversold as well. Watch for the break of the trade line around 53, and then we could start going to 60. So that's going to be it, guys. Today is a different story overall with the overall market. These 20 days and the 180 days are crossed down, but we are oversold. So we got to be aware of that any short position is a high risk short position. So I think this morning we're going to have a possible bounce. Not only that we're oversold on the larger charts, but if you drop down towards the smaller charts, some of them are oversold as well. So I think we may get some type of bounce. You can see that we're consolidating over here, finding some type of support around this 380. So let's see if we bounce and hold above this 380 and start to basically uptrend this morning. Probably have an intermediate bounce before another low. Let's see what happens. Hopefully you guys will have a green trading day. I'll see you guys later. Bye.